Create a unique fall decoration for less than $10. Just a few simple steps can turn an ordinary pumpkin into a beautiful centerpiece. The key is floral foam, the kind used for arranging flowers. If it's too big, cut it in half so it fits the size of your pumpkin. Place the foam in a bowl of water and wait until it sinks and soaks through. This will keep your flowers fresh for a long time. Now, take your pumpkin and set the wet foam on its stem. Start by inserting some decorative green branches into the sides of the foam. They form the base of your decoration and give it a nice full shape. Once the base is ready, add flowers. You can use whatever grows in your garden to save money. Trim the stems to the right length and insert them from the top into the foam to bring color and character to the arrangement. Finally, add some baby's breath for lightness and to fill in the gaps. Just a few steps and your pumpkin is transformed into an eye-catching piece that looks natural yet elegant. Place it on your dining table or at the entrance to welcome guests with a cozy autumn vibe. One pumpkin, a bit of creativity, and you have a decoration that instantly brightens up your home. Preserve decorative pumpkins. They can last up to a year with just 2 ingredients. Sometimes pumpkins used for Halloween or fall displays quickly become unattractive, start to smell, or grow mold. Here's how to keep them fresh for longer. Prepare a large bowl and fill it with lukewarm water. Make sure the bowl is big enough for the pumpkins to be fully submerged. Add a cup of bleach and 1 pump of regular dish soap. The bleach will kill any bacteria or mold, while the dish soap helps to clean off dirt and grime. Mix well to dissolve everything. Now, take your pumpkins and submerge them in the solution, letting them soak for about 30 minutes. After that, dry them with a towel. These preserved pumpkins will make perfect, long-lasting decorations. You can display them in your home without worrying about bad smells or mold ruining their appearance. This simple method will prevent bad smells and mold, keeping your pumpkins beautiful and durable for much longer. A decoration that will give your Halloween a truly spooky vibe. It's hard to believe you can make it yourself at home, but the effect is stunning. All you need are 3 balloons, black, red, and white. Start with the black balloon by inserting a stick inside and wrapping it tightly. This will be the center of the eye. Next, take the red balloon, place it on the stick, and twist it firmly. This adds a dramatic, scary touch to the decoration. Finally, prepare the white balloon, slip it on gently, pull out the tip, and cut a small hole so the air can pass through. Do the same with the red balloon. The key moment is inflating the black balloon. This fills all the layers at once, creating the eye effect. Tie it off and add the final detail. Use a red marker to draw thin lines on the white surface, resembling veins. This makes the decoration look even more realistic and creepy. Done! Your very own Halloween eye. Hang it up as a decoration or place it on the table. It's guaranteed to impress everyone. I'll show you how to create an amazing ghost decoration for Halloween, simply and affordably. Start by printing and carefully cutting out ghost eyes. Grab a tomato cage around 3 feet high and assemble it to create a stable base, securing the top with strong tape to hold everything together. Place a styrofoam head at the top to serve as the ghost's face. Next, wrap the entire frame with decorative string lights, which will make the ghost glow brilliantly in the dark. Attach the lights every few inches with tape so they're evenly distributed and securely held on the frame. For a ghostly effect, cover the structure with a white sheet, shaping it to give it a flowing look. Finally, attach the ghost eyes at the right height. Place your ghost outside. It'll make a perfect decoration by day and night. Turn on the lights and watch your ghost come to life with a magical glow. This decoration will delight your family and neighbors, creating an unforgettable Halloween atmosphere. You've never had pumpkin prepared like this before. You can make this simple pumpkin dish in just a few minutes. Start with a washed pumpkin. Cut it into smaller pieces for easier preparation. Peel the pieces and remove the flesh. Next, Grate the prepared pumpkin using a coarse grater. Then take a carrot, peel it, and grate it on the same side of the grater as the pumpkin. Now grab an onion. A red onion works best. Chop it into small cubes. Prepare a red bell pepper in the same way. Sauté the carrot, onion, and bell pepper in butter over medium heat until they soften. While that's cooking, finely chop some chives. Then take some eggs and crack them into a bowl. Beat them until you have a smooth egg mixture. Add salt, pepper, and your favorite spices to the mixture. Also, add 200 grams of sifted flour and mix carefully to create a batter. Now fold the sautéed vegetables into the batter. Then add the grated pumpkin and chives. Grate 1 potato into the mixture as well. Top the dish with grated cheese. Spread the mixture onto a baking dish lined with parchment paper and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After this time, you'll have a delicious dish with pumpkin as the star ingredient. This meal is a vitamin bomb. Pour Nutella into the rice and stir. Just once is enough to forever change the way you cook rice. Transfer the mixed rice into a blender and start adding the other ingredients. Add 3 eggs, 1 cup of oil, and 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Blend everything well. In a small saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of Nutella, and 2 cups of milk. Heat over low heat, stirring until it turns into a smooth mixture. The consistency will be fairly liquid. Pour the prepared rice mixture into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and about 10 ounces of shredded coconut for sweetness and aroma. Mix everything together. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Place it in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. Once cooled, remove the cake from the pan and top it with the chocolate glaze prepared earlier. The result is a rich, chocolatey, moist cake that literally melts in your mouth, a flavor you'll never forget. Simple, yet genius. Add egg yolks to Coca-Cola, and you definitely won't regret it. It's amazing. Add 2 egg yolks to a bottle of Coke. You'll see this is an extraordinary trick. Seal the bottle and gently shake it. The Coca-Cola with the yolks will start to change color. Due to the foam and yolks, it will turn a light brown. Before opening it, prepare a blender. There's already some Coke in the blender that I poured out earlier. I have a half-liter bottle of Coca-Cola. Carefully unscrew the cap to let the gas escape slowly. Once it's loosened, pour the contents into the blender. Add a large spoonful of soft butter to the Coke and yolks. Close the blender and mix the butter with the Coke and yolks. Then, add 1½ cups of flour. Add a cup of cocoa powder as well. Close the blender again and mix for 2 minutes. You can use regular cocoa or sweetened cocoa powder. Finally, add a tablespoon of baking powder. Grease a baking pan and dust it with cocoa powder. Pour the Coca-Cola batter into the pan. Preheat the oven to 185 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. It bakes quickly and always turns out great. After baking, just turn it out onto a plate, slice it, and enjoy. Bon appétit!